This is not financial advice on peezy. Peezy is the official hip hop alter ego of Pepe the Frog, a character from the Boys Club comic book created by the artist Matt Fury in the year 2005. The most memed meme in all of existence, according to Wikipedia, Pepe the Frog is also a cryptocurrency on the Ethereum network with a market capitalization of over $4.5 billion at the recording of this video. How this overlays to the peezy project is, in cryptocurrency, when we have a meme that is successful, we tend to derive the next iteration of meme meta or investor narrative from the project that was successful. In this case, Pepe the Frog has spawned Brett on Bass, Andy, Better Brett, and Wolf, all of which have market capitalizations of over $3 billion combined. So, what the next iteration logically would be is the hip hop alter egos of these characters, in this case, peezy. Peezy's hit an all-time high of $6 million, and we've retraced down to about 1.5 at the recording of this video. However, since I started covering this asset, we've gained almost 600 holders, which is incredibly bullish. And the X account has also gained 600 holders from when I started to cover this asset. So it's incredibly organic, good growth. And this hip hop alter ego movement is all CTO, meaning it's a community takeover of the asset. So if you're new to this space, let me explain to you what that is. A developer will launch a project, it will reach a certain level of market capitalization, then they will pull the asset, the liquidity. And why this matters is we're looking to fund a central exchange listing, and we need to sell $60,000 worth of peezy off the market to get the tether. So this is OX Ponder. This is his X account, and he would be the person you'd like to contact if you're interested in making this large allocation off the market of peezy so we can get listed on Central Exchange, because this is a community takeover, and that's the lead of dev of this community takeover. And going back to what a community takeover is, once the developer exits the asset, you'll have all the investors who believe in the meta or the investor narrative rally around and start to propagate and do the work of the developer. In this case, OX Ponder is taking on the lead developer of this asset, and he needs the tether to get us listed on central exchanges, because central exchange listings cost money. Full disclosure, I just learned that. I always thought they wanted the asset. It's the opposite. The team has to pay for it. And we have peezy tokens to sell, but we need tether. And so that's why we are putting this video out to kind of ask investors who are interested in OTC deals to kind of hit up Ponder and see if we can get to a deal, because this is in my opinion, this is just like dog with hat. We can community take over this asset and build it up to a $3 billion brand, because it's such an undeniable and super relatable meta. You know, the Boys Club represents the everyday individual, and Wall Street is a series of boys club designed to exclude the everyday individual and only enrich those with inside their circle. However, the blockchain is where we come together and determine the relative value of the blockchain in that digital space. Think of it as digital real estate. And I believe these hip-hop alter egos of some of the biggest characters in decentralized finance history will be the next logical iteration of where the capital will go once investors look for new, smaller micro caps to put their capital into. Once again, this is just my opinion. This is not financial advice. But if you've sat in on any of the spaces, institutional investors are starting to make meme coin purchases of things like Andy. The Amber Group's buying Andy. I might actually that might be my next video. So, you know, this meme token space is really going to be the next iteration of where cryptocurrency goes, in my opinion. But once again, this is just my opinion. This is not financial advice. I'm going to start to wrap the video up here. I want to say thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. My name is James Duryea, aka the TH3 Crypto Kid. I host a series of spaces on the X platform. Saturday morning is all eyes on peezy. Sunday afternoon, Monday morning, and Wednesday evening. As for now, though, this has been not financial advice on peezy.